everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the VT Cosmetics Cica Redness Moisture Cover Cushion, which helps for those who have dry and sensitive skin and is supposed to make your skin really smooth and flawless and give you a moisturizing, glowing complexion. This also comes with a refill, which is great, and the packaging, let me say, it's just beautiful. I love how the packaging look. I love the color, and inside the packaging, in the cushion, it has obviously the cushion part, which is a bit like a plasticky texture, so it does slide off when you try and hold on the grip, but application wise this is great. And the cushion itself, it has like 3 color to it. So it has the green to help with the soothing, it has the pink to help with the moisture, and the beige for obviously cover base. And the way I use this is I like to use all 3 at the same time, because the green also helps to remove any redness. In regards of the coverage, this is light to medium coverage, and for the texture when applying, it does apply very smoothly, but because of how moisturizing it is, it tends to slide a little bit as well, so you definitely need to go back and make sure you cover those up. This is beautiful, but like I say, it is only light to medium coverage, and I would say this is very moisturizing, and my shade is number 23, so it only comes in 2 shades. Now the color really suit me, is better than the other one that I've reviewed, which is the Cica Redness Cover Cushion. Moisturizing is definitely very moisturizing as well, and it does give you a very nice complexion. It does cover up majority of your redness, but I wouldn't say fully. The only downside I find with this one is that the longevity is not that long, which you guys will see really soon. But in regards compared to this with the Redness Cover Cushion, this is definitely more moisturizing, and obviously it is not a matte finish. It doesn't go matte, but it does get a little bit oily soon, which I'll show you guys in about like 1 minute. But like I said before, the finish is beautiful, and I just like the texture, I like the color, but the only downside is the longevity. And for this one, this is how it looks like after 3 hours. As you can see, the nose area has already disappeared, and around the corner of my nose and my T-zone is starting to get really oily. So the longevity only lasts about 3 hours compared to the Cica Redness Cover Cushion, which lasted quite a while. So for me, I feel like even though it is an alright cushion for me, I feel like I like the moisture of this. If they can combine how moisturizing this is and add this to the Cica Redness Cover Cushion, I would say that would make such a perfect cushion for me. But this one I would recommend for those who have really dry skin like me, because it doesn't show any of your dry patches. And if you want like a light coverage, I would say this is great, but I would definitely recommend to prime and to set it with either powder or mist if you want this to last longer. And I would say the price is actually a decent price, because it does come with a refill. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my quick review, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.